Alright, let's get real. Budgeting sounds boring, right? But I promise you, it's one of the most powerful things you can do for your future self. Whether you're trying to save for your first apartment, pay off student loans, or just stop wondering where your money went by the end of the month, budgeting is your secret weapon. First up, tracking your expenses. Seriously, just start by writing down everything you spend for a week. And yes, that $4 coffee counts. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or one of those free apps. The point is to see where your money is actually going, not just where it's going. This step is eye-opening. I remember realizing I was spending more on takeout than groceries. Ouch! Next is the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple and flexible, perfect if you're just starting out. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent, groceries, bills. 30% is for wants, think eating out, movies, or that new hoodie you've been eyeing. And 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. If those percentages don't fit your life exactly, tweak them. The point is to be intentional with your money, not rigid. Another technique that changed the game for me? Zero-based budgeting. Basically, you give every dollar a job before the month starts. If you earn $1,000, you decide exactly how that $1,000 gets spent, down to the last dollar. It helps you avoid those "where did my money go?" moments and gives you total control. Now let's talk automation. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or to pay bills. The less you have to think about it, the less likely you are to skip it. Out of sight, out of mind, right? This trick alone helped me consistently save more, without even trying. And don't forget to check in on your budget every week or two. Budgets aren't set and forget. Sometimes you overspend. No big deal. Adjust, learn, and move on. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Final tip. Reward yourself for sticking to your plan. It could be something small, like a coffee date or a movie night. Budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment. It's about building the life you want, $1 at a time. So, try out a couple of these techniques. Find what fits your style. And remember, your money, your rules. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Thanks for watching.